Hey guys, Nick Fan and Steel with Timber Tiger Aircraft here. In this episode, I want to talk to you about where the business has been and where it's headed. But I also want to make a confession about something that we've been planning for over a year, and it may affect you. As you know, Timber Tiger Aircraft began with the STL project in 2015, and after an extensive R&D project, we began sales of the STL in 2021. At that point, we didn't know what to expect. We had been going to Oshkosh every summer, making friends along the way, but how would the business pan out in an industry that isn't known for taking prisoners? Well, several years in, we now have some hard data to look back on. We're currently at approximately 65 STL subkits sold, have acquired the sole manufacturing rights for the popular Early Bird Jenny, and we have just approved Kay's Speedster to move into production, as reservation holders already know. As importantly, our first customer completed STL received and passed its inspection in late 2024, just 3 short years after the kit was picked up. Naturally, the builder is beyond words with how the airplane handles. But what is to come? Yes, we do have designs on the boards with one that may begin prototyping in 2025 or 2026. This airplane isn't going to be in competition with our other offerings, so don't wait to start your Speedster, STL, or Jenny kit. In addition, we don't plan on releasing any further details until this airplane is 100% completed and ready for production. At that point, we plan on taking it to Oshkosh for all to see. Which leads me to our shocking confession. For the first time since 2017, Timber Tiger Aircraft will not be making its annual trek to Oshkosh. Those who subscribe to our email newsletters already know this. Honestly, I was expecting a bit of a fallout and received nothing but encouragement for this decision. But why did we make this decision? First off, our time in Oshkosh has been incredible. We started as a newly married couple getting into an adventure we didn't understand. We survived the great parking debacle of 2017. We drove a disassembled STL in a trailer down a windy, bumpy, forested road, only to discover an amazing beer museum in the boonies. We had to figure out how to get airplanes disassembled and back into a trailer. We made amazing friends and met other business professionals as well. And of course, we made some sales and took some awards. One year our booth got destroyed by a mini tornado thing that caused our vendor neighbors to peace out. But being as stubborn as we are, we simply baked in the hot sun for the last 2 days with nothing but an umbrella over our heads, basking in the glory of the world's largest air show. The biggest change came in 2021 when we began making the long annual trek with a 9-month-old, and believe me, it's a long trek, especially with a 9-month-old. So for 2025, we have decided that with our steady business, it was time for a summer off to focus on family. For now, we plan on putting our advertising into mixed media as a means to reach people more often and more effectively throughout an entire year, not just the summer. So for the remainder of 2025, Timber Tiger Aircraft will reimburse shop visitors for their travel expenses up to $1,000 if a full kit is purchased within 1 calendar month of their visit. Be warned though, Timber Tiger Aircraft currently has a 100% success rating of turning shop visitors into builders. Welcome to the Timber Tiger family.